Most important question of permutation. Let us see the question. Question is how many numbers are between 100 and 1000 in which all digits are distinct. So between 100 and 1000 means 101 to 999. So three digit number we have to find. So make three box. So this is the three box. So now we get for digits are distinct. So total digit is 0 to 9, that is 10 digit, but 0 cannot be used here. So number of choice will be what? 9. Here number of choice will be what? So 10 number, we used one number here. So now we have again 9 numbers. So 9 choice, and here choice is what? 8. So correct answer is 9 into 9 into 8. So 9 9 is 81. So 8 8 is 64. 648 is our correct answer. Let us see the question. Question is how many numbers are there between 100 and 1000 such that every digit is either 2 or 9. So for this type of question, simple technique is what? We have to make 100 number between 100 and 1000. So 101 to 999, that is 3 digit number. So just to make 3 box. So 3 digit number, that is 3 box. Now the question is such that every digit is either 2 or 9. So this place can be filled by two ways because we have only two choice. Here only two choice, here only two choice. So total number of ways will be what? 2 into 2 into 2, that is 8. So our correct answer is 8. Let us see the question. Question is how many numbers are there between 100 and 1000 such that 7 is the unit place. So again we are finding a number between 100 and 1000, that is 101 to 999. So we have to find 3 digit number. So just make 3 box. So this is 3 box. Okay. Now the question is what? 7 is in the unit place. So 7 is fixed at this unit place. So here choice is only 1. And here this is the 100th place. Here we cannot put 0. So we have how many choice? So there is a total 0 to 9, that is 10 number. It is not given distinct. So number can be, digit can be repeated. So here also 9 choice because 0 we cannot put here. But here total how many choice? That is 10 choice. We can use any digit because repetition is allowed. It is not given distinct number. So repetition is allowed. So our correct answer is what? 9 into 10 into 1, that is 90. So 90 is our right answer. Let us see the question. How many numbers are there between 100 and 1000 such that at least one of their digit is 7? So for this type of question, technique is what? Between number 100 and 1000, that is 101 to 999. So we have to find 3 digit number. That type of 3 digit number in which at least one of their digit is 7. So first to find total number of 3 digit number. So this is total number of 3 digit number minus, that is 3 digit number having no 7. So total 3 digit number means you make box 3. So total 3 digit number, how can we make? How many? So there is a 10 digit number. So choice is what here? 0 we cannot put. So here only 9 choice. Here 10 choice because repetition is allowed. It is not given, repetition not allowed. I here 3 digit number having no digit 7. So here total digit we have how many? So total 0 to 9 10, but 7 we are not taking, so only 9 digit. But here we cannot put 0, so only 8. So this is 8 choice, here 9 choice, and here 9 choice. So what is this? This is 9 into 10 into 10, and this is 8 into 9 into 9. So we will get what? 900 minus 9 9 is 81. So 8 1 is 8, 8 8 is 64. So we will get 10 minus 8 2, 9 minus 4 5, 8 12. So 252 is our correct answer. Let us see the question. How many 3 digit number are there between 100 and 1000 which have exactly one of their digit at 7? So for this type of question, first you make 3 box, and this is the 3 box. So there is a 3 case also, because exactly one of their digit is 7. So suppose unit place digit is what? 7. So here place is 1. Choice is what? 1 only. And now at this place we cannot use 0, right? So we have 0 to 9, 10 digit. One digit here, 7 is fixed. So now we have only 9 digit. But 0 we cannot put here. So 8 only. So here choice is 8 and here choice is what? 9. So 8 into 9 into 1, that is what? 72. Now this is the second case. Second case again 3 digit number. So this place is fixed by 7. So here choice is only 1. Again you see this is the 100 place. We cannot use 0. Right? So how many choice we have here? Only 0 we cannot use, 7 we cannot use. So how many choice we have? 8 choice. So this is the 8 choice, and here we can use any number except 7. So how many choice? That is the choice is 9. So correct is what? 8 into 9 into 1, that is 72. Now the case third. Case third is what? We are fixing the 7 as a 100 place. So there choice is 1. And here is what? So we can use any number except 7. So total number of choice is 9. Here total choice is 9. So 1 into 9, that is 81. So total number will be what? Just add this number. 2 to 4 plus 1, 5. 7, 7, 14 and 14 plus 18, 8. So 14, 6, 20, 22. So correct answer is what? 225.